question number 8. On the axis, sketch the graph of y is equal to 5 ln 4x plus 3. State the intercept with the axis. State the equation of asymptote. Okay, first we find the x and y intercept. To find the y intercept, we will use x is equal to 0. So we have the equation y is equal to 5 ln 4x plus 3. And this one is equal to 5 ln 4. When we plug value of x is equal to 0, so it's 4 times 0 plus 3, and this one is equal to 5 ln 3. On the other side, when we want to find the x-intercept, so we will plug y is equal to 0. So we have the equation y is equal to 5 ln 4x plus 3, and y is 0, so it will be 5 ln 4x plus 3 ln 4x plus 3 equal to 0. To solve this equation, we take exponential both sides. So we will have 4x plus 3 is equal to exponential of 0. And this one is equals to the 1. So we have 4x plus 3 equals to 1. And 4x is equals to 1 minus 3, which is equals to negative 2. And x is equals to negative 2 over 4, which is equals to negative half. 5 ln 3 is equals to 5.49, which is almost equals to 5.5. Okay, we have calculated the x-intercept and y-intercept. So we can write here the point when x is equal to 0, y is equals to 5 ln 3, or you can see it is 5.5. Okay, on the other side, when y is 0, x-intercept is equals to negative half when y is 0. Now, when we need to find any asymptote, so this is the logarithm function. To find the asymptote, we will take the argument and equate it with 0. So 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So in this case, x is equal to negative 3 over 4, which is equal to 0.75 negative. Also, we need to sketch the graph. So let's start from the intercept. When x is 0, y is 5 ln 3, which is here. 5 ln 3, which is equals to 5.5 almost. And when we have the y coordinate is 0, so x coordinate is negative 0.5. This one is negative. So this is the 0.75 negative, and the asymptote will be like this one. So the sketch of the function 5 ln 4x plus 3 will approaches to the asymptote like this one. And in this case, it will be like this.